When it comes to cake decorating, ruffles and rosettes are extremely popular. So in this short to the point content, I'm going to be using the extremely popular 2D piping nozzle, which most of you will already have in your collection. We are going to be doing a combination of different ruffles, just like you can see here in the lighter shade of blue and on the previous cupcake in the white. And I'm also going to be showing you how to use the extremely popular 1M piping tip. Everything you need to know step by step, including how to get this beautiful two-toned effect. Let's make a start. The first nozzle that we are going to be using for a ruffle effect is the Wilton 150, and it looks just like this. Colour your buttercream a shade of your choice. I have it in a teal colour. You will find my cupcake recipe already on the channel to get this lovely flat layer cupcake, but just a little tip, before you start piping on your cupcakes, I like to add a layer of buttercream first. All this does is help protect the cupcake from the air, especially if it's a hot day and you're going to need to refrigerate your cupcakes to prevent your buttercream from melting. I like to cover them in a colour that suits the colour theme of the actual cupcake, and you also won't be able to see any cake underneath this way, so your piping will look more flawless. So we filled our piping bag and we are starting with nozzle 150. On the outer edge of the cupcake, gently squeeze the bag and with a left to right motion, make your way to the centre. Once you get to the centre, simply stop squeezing and flick away. Just repeat this in rows so that you can create this beautiful ruffle-like effect. Now this does look pretty from the top, but even at all other angles, especially the side, it really does add a lovely finishing touch to your cupcakes. Remember, this can also be used on cakes, but what I did after I finished with this nozzle was refrigerate, because we're going to be piping a rosette next, and I don't want to accidentally damage any of these ruffles that I have just added to this cupcake. Remember to only keep your piping bag half full so that you have full control. Using the popular Wilton 2D nozzle that looks just like this, and I've also coloured some buttercream in more of a navy blue just so it contrasts with the teal. To get that two-toned effect, once you have placed the nozzle in a piping bag, I wrap it over a glass, and then you want to simply fill the inner rim of the piping bag with a colour of your choice. I'm using the lighter colour here, so I'm going to go around the outer edges with the teal that we used on the cupcake just before this, and then I'm going to be filling the centre with the navy blue. I'm piping one rosette on this, and remember the cupcake has been refrigerated to help prevent accidental damage. Start by gently squeezing the piping bag. This footage has been slowed down so that you can see exactly how to do it. And going round in a circular motion, I go slightly over those ruffles just on the edge, and once I get back round to the beginning of the circle, I simply stop squeezing and I gently pull away, and it really is as easy as that to create a two-toned rosette using the Wilton 2D piping tip. But how beautiful and effective does this cupcake already look? The last piping nozzle I am using on this cupcake is the number 32, and it looks just like this. I filled my piping bag with some uncoloured buttercream because the contrast went with the blues lovely, and just piped on blobs around the outer edge of the cupcake. How stunning and simple was that? Now we're moving on to cupcake number 2. Using nozzle number 30 and some uncoloured buttercream, simply take your freshly baked cupcake that you've covered with a layer of buttercream on the top, gently squeeze your piping bag and doing a left to right motion, but this time around the outer rim of your cupcake, you will create this stunning but very simple ruffle effect. We are then going to simply fill the centre of this with a two-toned 2D rose. You can see how easy it is, but do refrigerate to prevent accidental damage. So using the Wilton 2D nozzle, again, the one that we've already filled the bag with, so you don't need to alter anything, start by piping in the centre and simply go around in a circular motion, just like we did before. Remember, this cupcake has been chilled first. This helps prevent any damage to our ruffles, and once you get to the end, simply stop squeezing and flick away. That's cupcake number 2, and finally I'm now going to show you how to use the 1M. So this is what the 1M nozzle looks like. I think it leaves a much sharper, more defined finish. But if you just have a look at the top here, it's very similar to the 2D nozzle. It's just a lot more sharper and gives you a much more sharper rose. But they're both just as beautiful as each other. So again, I'm wanting a two-toned effect, but it's a good idea to use different colours. So this time I'm using some uncoloured buttercream around the inner rim of the piping bag. With the 2D we use the teal. I then simply go around all of those edges, and this will help create a beautiful two-toned rose. A very simple technique to do when you're filling your piping bags. All I did then was fill the centre with the darker navy blue. So this rose is going to be a white and navy. So what I do first is gently squeeze in the centre of the cupcake. I want to create a raised section for the rose because sometimes when using this nozzle they can look a little flat. So by doing this you give something to pipe the rose around. You then want to start piping from the middle, and this time you go around in a circular motion. This has been slowed down again so you can see me do this in detail. Always remember, piping these roses is not about speed. Just take your time doing it. The more you do it, the easier they get. Remember to only keep your piping bag half full so that you have full control. And once you get to the outer edge, you simply stop squeezing and pull away. And it really is as easy as that to create a beautiful two-toned rosette using the 1M piping nozzle. And there we have it. Buttercream, ruffles and rosettes, made easy, perfect for a beginner. You can find the buttercream recipe in the description below this video. Happy baking everyone, and I will be back soon with an awful lot more new, completely free content.